Hi guys, to receive this javiscam small security camera for reviewing purposes. So I think it's really nice because it can connect to the Wi-Fi. It has night vision, motion detection, and cloud service, which is really nice. You can use it for your pets, like a small security camera for specific places, like a live cam. So it's really nice. Okay, let's open it. What we first see upon opening is this little box. So let's see what's inside of it. Okay, we got a little base to place it wherever we want. Some screws and everything to install it. Micro USB cable for charging it. And this is a proper camera, okay? So it's quite small. Here we got the USB-C entrance, the off on reset, and we can use a memory card, okay? So it's really nice. Let's take this out, and if you want it mounted, you can just slide it over here like this, and there you have it, okay? You can place it like this in the wall, wherever you want to place it, okay? And you've also got the user manual, which is really nice. It tells us how to download the app, all the setup you need to do, and how to work through the interface, okay? So I've already installed the application. So what I'm going to do is just set everything up and wait till it is working to see how it works, how nice is the quality. Okay, so let's go. Okay, as you can see now, it's already configured, set it up. As you can see, it's really nice. It has a nice video quality, as you can see in here. Okay, and you can take screenshots or activate the sound. Okay, I can listen it through my headphones, so it's really nice. And I can also activate the recording. As you can see now, right now is recording. I'm gonna leave it there a couple of seconds. It's really nice to have these kinds of options to record your what you're seeing right now on the camera for certain moments. So it's really nice, really easy to use. As you can see, you can also turn it like this. It is really great. You can select on the quality if you want it on HD or SD. That you can take screenshots. It's really nice, and then you can record when you're seeing through the camera. It's great. Okay, so it's really easy to use, and I would recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.